Bangkok, Thailand, Singapore have reported to United Nations pressure by cracking down on the sales of weapons through its territories to Myanmar, delivering a serious blow to the embattled generals who seized power in a coup more than 3 years ago. Thomas Andrews, the UN special reporter on the human rights situation in Myanmar, told Al Jazeera that the city-state's government immediately responded to his 2023 report that found Singapore-based entities had become the third target sources of weapons and materials to the military and were critical to its weapons procurement. In what analysts see as a sign of the generals' increasing desperation, they have imposed a sweeping conscription law in a bid to boost their ranks. Sharon Nasubuga, reporting for MRU TV.